Hello guys, standard 6, chapter number 16, air around us. So guys, in the previous video, as we have discussed about the Earth's atmosphere and the layers like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, right? Then ozone layer, how it is useful. So guys, my question is that how air is useful for the organisms which survive under the soil, which survive under the ground. How they will absorb the air, how they will respire, right? So let's discuss it today. So guys, we can see that under the ground there are so many creatures, insects like earthworm, ants, millipedes, beetle, centipede, potato plants, right? So question is that how this all the organisms breathe this under the ground, that means under the soil. So there is little space or pores in soil, right, which contains air and moisture. So this air which is present in the soil is called as soil air. So in this soil air, by this soil air, these creatures, these insects will absorb this air, right? Like roots also absorb this air for the respiration process, and there are few organisms that makes tunnel, that makes hole in the soil, right? This is called as tunnels, and it provides space for the air, and this tunnels like structure inside the soil is called as air. So living organisms can survive over there because air is already there inside the tunnel. Then if we discuss about plant, the plant will absorb this air, that means the root of the plant will absorb the air which is present in this tunnel, in this arete, right? And here earthworm, if we discuss about earthworm, so earthworm is called as farmer's friend because it makes tunnel inside the soil and makes aretes. So ऐसा करने से ज़मीन में होल हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स कि इसके अंदर एयर होगी, और एयर अर्थवर्म एंड प्लांट यूज़ करते हैं. बट हैव यू नोटिस्ड अबाउट दैट कि ड्यूरिंग द मानसून सीजन वाई अर्थवर्म कम्स आउट ऑफ द सर्फेस ऑफ अर्थ फ्रॉम द सोइल? रीजन इज दैट कि ड्यू टू द रेनफॉल is all the holes which is present in soil which will be filled with water. So earthworm needs to breathe, that's why they comes out from the surface of soil, right? They comes out of the soil because there is no air right now in the soil. Then turn your page, page number 264. Guys, have you seen farmers are plugging their field? What is the reason behind it? Because when farmer plug the field, it makes little pores, space or air pockets inside the soil, right? That's why they use plug, hoe, it's called as kurfi, right? By this equipment farmers lose the soil for the air pockets, right? By this way air is useful for the plants and insects which survive under the soil. So here is one activity that you have to do at home. So what is the activity? Take little soil and put it in jug, right? Then what you have to observe? You have to pour the water in the jug. You can observe that little bubbles of air comes out from the soil, right? So it shows that soil contains air. That activity students will do at home. Okay guys. Now next topic is how is air made available to organisms present in the water, right? So guys, here is one question we have learnt about how the organisms which are in the soil, they breathe, how they respire. So now it's about the animals which survive under the water. So aquatic animals. So first of all, it is whales. Whales and dolphins have nasal walls on their heads, right? So every 15 minutes, these types of the fishes comes out of the surface of water and take oxygen, inhale air in the lungs. Then they go back under the water. So by this way, whale and dolphins breathe, right? Now, second is fish and tadpoles. So these types of the animals have gills. So in the water, they absorb oxygen which has been already dissolved in water by gills, right? And they will respire. Then lotus. So lotus plant have large leaves which float on the surface of water, and by the stomata it absorbs air from the air, right, from the atmosphere. Now hydrilla plant. So it grows under the water and absorbs oxygen which is dissolved in water. Then mangrove plants. So mangrove plants which have roots, right? So mangrove plant grows in the coastal area. So roots of these plants comes out of the soil, and tip of the roots will come out of the soil and water and absorbs oxygen from the air, right? So by this way, aquatic animals are used to breathe and respire. Okay guys, let's see today's homework. Take out exercise MCQ number 6, 7 and 8, solve in textbook. Then fill-ups 4 and 5, also solve in textbook. Then turn your page. Give one word, question number 4 and 5, also solve in textbook. Short question 3, 4, 5 and 6, write down in notebook. Distinguish number 3, also write down in notebook. So okay guys, this was today's homework. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.